Ilaw ko tagin ko pa. Ipil ko. Ipil ko.
Long press lang until mag-up. Okay na.
Kaya rin ma-set up.
All good.
So guys, magsa-set up tayo ng iPhone 16 Pro Max. Tcharan! Na-on natin siya kanina. So first is unlock. Then choose language. Ang language na pipiliin natin ay English. Select region, Philippines. Ayan guys, Philippines. Then select size, default, medium. Depende sa size na gusto nyo guys. Or large. So sa akin default lang. Kasi okay na sa akin yung size. And continue. So guys, meron tayong iPad. So ang pipiliin natin is set up with another device para mabilis siya. So looking for nearby devices, bring your current iPhone or iPad near the iPhone to sign in and set up. If your other iPhone... So yun guys, connected na tayo. So this one is data and privacy. So it appears when Apple feature asks to use your personal information. So continue na lang guys kasi yun naman ang option. Then set up iPhone, set up for myself or set up for a child. If yung iPhone binili nyo para sa anak nyo, then set up for a child. So akin, kasi akin to guys, set up for myself. Then set up Face ID, pwede din set up later. Pero guys, I will set it up now. Okay, continue. Then you click get started. So ayun guys. Head slowly. So ayun guys, ang next is use Face ID with mask. So guys, I will not use guys. So don't use Face ID with the mask. So Face ID is now set up. Continue. Then create an iPhone passcode. So ayun guys, magka-create muna tayo guys ng passcode. Tayong pina-enter. So guys, if gusto nyong i-clone yung old nyo na device from your old iPhone, pag meron kayo, and for your Mac or PC or from your tablet, so ito guys yung mga options. Pero kasi gusto kong brand new siya guys, don't transfer anything. So ayun. So you log in your Apple account. Set up, so we will enter our Apple ID. So ayan na, na-enter na natin. Then press continue. Guys, magsasend siya ng Apple verification code sa inyong device na nakalagin or sa inyong Apple ID. So yun guys, nag-enter siya dito. So terms and conditions guys, let's click agree. Update your iPhone automatically. Features of your update will be automatically downloaded. So yeah, continue. Location guys is set up later. So okay. Set up later. Set up cellular. Set up later yung cellular. Screen time and weekly report. Continue. Hindi mo yung set up ito. Analytics. Help Apple improve its products. Depende sa you guys. So share with Apple or don't share. So, sige, share with Apple. App Analytics, don't share. So, yun guys, you can choose if light yung screen, dark mode like this one, or auto. For me, I'll choose auto. Then, ayun, yung bagong feature ng Apple is Apple Intelligence. So, continue. So, ayun guys, this one is for your camera control, to open your camera, and then visual intelligence with camera control. Click and hold to learn about something. Click again to take a photos. Ito guys, all camera control to. Visual intelligence. So, ayun guys. So, continue. So, ito guys, yung natawag na action button. So, you press that guys to turn into silent mode, on and off, or you can customize it guys. So, let's stick with the silent mode. So, not now guys. Not now. So, yun. So, emergency SOS, press and hold emergency SOS. So, continue. So, welcome to our new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Swipe up to get started. Ayan na guys. It's there. See? Ayan na siya guys. Ito na guys yung feature, ito yung camera. Uy. Cancel na muna guys. So, photographic style, personalize how you appear on photos, set up later.